Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We've officially done it. We've made it to 900 subscribers. Can you believe that? This is totally insane to me. I would have never thought I would reach this big number of 900 subscribers. Thank you all, truly, for subscribing and watching my channel. It means a lot to see that people are interested in watching my videos because, you know, everybody starts off with nothing. They start off with 0 subscribers when they start their channel. And all I've done is upload videos as consistently as possible on topics that might be interesting to you guys. And apparently, you guys seem to enjoy it so much that you feel compelled to subscribe and see more of this content later on. That is awesome. So with that being said, I have a special announcement introducing the Lawnmower Racing Series. August 22nd, I will be premiering a video at 8 o'clock Central Daylight Time, the Lawnmower Racing Series. There will be 3 parts of this video. The first part will consist of the Cub Cadet, John Deere, and Husqvarna drag racing against each other. We're going to be featuring multiple races in this video. The second part will feature a tug of war against the John Deere, and that is a very interesting result as well. We also change it up a little bit with a different mower that you guys are definitely not going to want to miss on, because that got very interesting at the end. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. And the last, but certainly not least, we're going to be doing a drag race against the John Deere and the Bad Boy. Because the Bad Boy is a 0-turn and the John Deere is a riding mower. They're both pretty quick, but which one is faster? I think you guys will really enjoy this. So please, if you're excited to see this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss when this premiere goes live. A very important detail: the premiere will disappear after 24 hours, and then after that I will upload each part of the racing series one by one over the course of the next 6 days. Thank you for helping me reach this big number of 900 subscribers. I could not have done it without you guys. And also, at 1,000 subscribers, I have an even better special than this. You guys do not want to miss that. So if you want to see that, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.